Hello. A video that I want to talk about is from our assignment that was titled Arts with Youth Theater in the Classroom Part 1. The specific video I want to mention is the Living Timeline video. This is where the teacher kind of got the students together and they were given some background on some historical event for a social studies assignment. And the students got to get together in groups and they got to basically role play out these historic events. Really putting their own creativity and everything into it. I saw some students using props, some students made costumes. The excitement on their faces was insane. They probably remember that assignment way more than just doing some worksheet because they got to kind of put themselves in, these historical figures' shoes and live it and feel it and get a better sense for how everything was, which helps with memory retention. All of these things, when the students were working together, then they got to work on their communication skills, which is huge. They got to work on their trust with each other, which created classroom community, and basically their self-expression, which also fostered creativity. And all of this just really brought the material to life again. I think that the one thing that teachers need to remember is that it's still an assignment, that integrating drama or integrating arts into any curriculum spot should still have a purpose, should still be well thought out and planned and have a purpose. And really kind of setting the tone for what that looks like, creating that classroom culture and those expectations and those rules prior to engaging in these activities is key. And all of these things are everything from the video that it helped with communication, the self-expression, all that stuff is all stuff that we've seen, especially from our, I forgot what it's called. It was the research update 8.1 on page 308. They were all listed there about how this helps, academic achievement. So yeah, that's it. Bye-bye.